Okay, hi Aquarius. Welcome to your zodiac reading. This is going to be from the May 1st to the 15th for you. So how we are going to be doing this is we will first look at the current situation, and if that resonates, then probably the outcome will also resonate. We'll be looking at the next 15 days for you. So let's see what we pick up. Let's begin, and I'll end it with a couple of oracle cards from the universe as an advice for you. So let's see what is the current situation for you, Aquas. The Lovers, Eight of Swords, Knight of Pentacles. So you're in the midst of taking a decision. You could be in love. You feel love for someone. Okay, and you don't know. Your mind is trapped. You know that this is a divine calling. Maybe your person is very attracted towards you. You know the deeper meaning of it, but your person doesn't. Your person is just very attracted, and you're confused. You don't know if you can move in this direction, but you want to, and you will. You are not letting this go, but your mind is a little muddled up. And this is all inside you. Maybe you're not saying this to anyone because you are feeling confused. Yeah. And somewhere you have your guards a bit up, okay, from this person. I mean, not that you're asking them to leave, but you're just being a little protective about yourself. Currently, that's what I'm seeing. Okay, because maybe it is to do with confusion. It is to do with, okay, when can we do this? Can I do this? I'm not sure. Those energies I pick up. Okay, so if this current energy is resonating, then let's see what to expect from May 1st to the 15th for you. Because I do see that, yes, even you feel the love. You are trying to question the universe that what is this that is happening with me? Let's see. Next 15 days, 1st to the 15th of May. Page of Cups. Page of Wands, Queen of Wands, and Queen of Swords and Seven of Cups. Okay, so I still see you a bit guarded. I don't think that you are letting your guards down. It's because you don't know if you are sure to push this to the next level at this point. You want it. It's not that you don't, but you're just thinking before investing your emotions here. Let's see what else. Yeah, Three of Pentacles maybe could be a third party situation. Maybe there are other people involved, and that could be your reason for being confused. Okay, but I'm still seeing that you have feelings for this person. You think a lot about this person, but you're trying to have your guards up. You're trying to control yourself as much as possible because you're just a little scared. Okay, you're scared because you don't know if this is again going to play out the same way, or what is it going to be? Is this a permanent thing or not? All those energies I see dwelling. But somehow, bottom line is you don't want to lose this person, or you don't want to lose this situation. Okay? Let's see what else do we pick up from here. Five of Pentacles. Yes, you're still hopeful. You're still hopeful. Knight. Oh no, this is the Prince of Pentacles. This is the Knight of Pentacles. So yes, you're still hopeful. That's the reason why you're going slow, because somewhere your heart knows that this cannot be wrong, because it is nice. It is making you happy. So you don't want to lose it somehow. Let's see what else. And the Hanged Man. So you are probably not taking any major decisions, okay, because you just want to be calm, okay. You don't want to like cause an upheaval right now. Maybe your decision making can cause a lot of problems for you at this point, okay. So you're just not wanting to take any decisions at this stage, so that you know that, I mean, no one is hurt because of me, but you are attached to this. Okay, Let's see. What is the advice from the universe to you at this point? But I do feel that somehow you feel happy. You feel happy about this thing, and you're enlightened as well. You're seeing the brighter side of life. You do spend time alone thinking about this whole situation, but you're not taking any, sorry about the jerk, you're not taking any major decisions around it right now, even in these 15 days. Okay? Because the fears are going to be there, but still, I'm seeing that you will not let this go. Let's see what is the advice for you here. Dog spirit. Be loyal to what you love. Okay. Mouse spirit. Tend to the small things. This is so cute. And Coyote spirit. Trust in divine detours. This is beautiful. You could be very confused at this point that, you know, why has this happened in my life? Like, I don't know. I was not asking for this. Somehow mentally you were, okay? Enjoy this. Instead of like being all over the place, I would say enjoy this feeling that you are experiencing right now. It's no point fighting it. It's no point arguing with it, because it is happening for you, for your highest good. Enjoy it, okay? And trust it as well, because it's a divine detour. We understand this. And it's card number 7 here, which is a very spiritual number. Trust it. Okay, trust it, because it has a purpose behind it. You don't know what it is, okay? And maybe that's the lesson for you, that you just need to trust it without knowing what's going to happen next. Okay, just trust it for what it is at this point. Okay, Aquarius, so that's what I'm picking up for you. Let me know in the comments if this resonated with your situation. Also, private readings are open, so you can reach out to me. And yes, you can also follow me on Instagram. I do daily 3-card readings over there, just in case if you're interested. And it's Mishi Blue Tarot Official, so let me know if you like it. Also guys, I am up with bracelets on Instagram. These are semi-precious stones. So in case if you're interested, you can have a look at my Instagram page. You will understand and see. So that's what I have for you, Aquarius. Take care and bye-bye.